Some people find it really hard that I'm an archaeologist, I'm a farmer, I'm an actor, and I'm an author. I'm out feeding some sheep at this minute, and I just wanted to say to everybody that I'm looking forward to teaching the acting class in Barry next Thursday. And some people have been critical. They say, why are you charging for an acting class? Why shouldn't it be free? And I'm thinking, well, you know, we've got a studio to pay for, we've got equipment, we've got so much to pay out on, and it's £7 a session. And most acting classes out there, well, there's one that I know of charges about £400–500 a day to teach acting, and I think that's really fair. That little one in there is actually called James, and it's a rare breed Borroway, and you've just seen his dad actually. What happens in the acting classes is basically to get people to build a huge confidence, and that's what I feel is massively important in acting. And if you don't have the level of confidence that very few other people have, then you're going to be like those very few other people. You're really not going to get anywhere. So we're doing these acting classes to build up that confidence, and nobody needs to do them. Nobody has to do them to appear on any of our productions, but it's advised to come along and be part of the ensemble that creates magic. Thank you. Wildfire Cymru Productions.